Number 1. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500, featuring a powerful 355ci small block engine with a 4-bolt main, forged internals, and a full roller setup. It's equipped with World Products heads, a Summit Racing camshaft, a Street Dominator intake, and a Holley 650 CFM carburetor. The engine breathes through Hedman Shorty headers and is kept cool by 2 electric fans, maintaining a consistent 190 degrees Fahrenheit even in hot weather. The power is delivered through a stock TH350 automatic transmission that shifts exceptionally smooth. In the rear, it's equipped with a 3.73 Posey traction differential for solid traction, and old-school slapper traction bars help keep the rear end planted. A line lock system has also been installed for added control during launches. Wearing a sleek black exterior with 20% tinted side windows, the body is 99% rust-free. It rides on brand new Weld Draglite wheels and fresh tires, added just this spring. All lights are fully functional, making this S10 both street and strip ready. Number 2. 1988 Ford F150, price $9,500. With just 108,000 miles on the odometer, it features a brown exterior and a clean tan interior. Under the hood is the reliable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic overdrive transmission, both of which run and drive great. The truck is equipped with 4-wheel drive and has recently been upgraded with a new manual shift transfer case and new rear U-joints. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and new fuel pumps have been installed. Notably, the truck passed its emissions and inspection as recently as May, adding to its reliability. Comfort features include functioning air conditioning and heat, as well as power windows, both of which are working properly. The only known electrical issue is with the driver's side door lock actuator, which is currently inoperable. The interior remains in very nice condition, showing only minor fading. The driver's seat has a few areas where the stitching has come undone, but an extra seat with good lower upholstery will be included with the sale. Number 3. 1995 Ford F150, price $5,700. It has approximately 268,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. Both the engine and transmission were rebuilt around 50,000 miles ago, ensuring reliable performance. Originally a fleet-side model, the truck has been modified with a flare-side bed for a sportier appearance. It is finished in blue, both inside and out, giving it a classic and cohesive look. Under the hood, it's equipped with mid-length headers and a Borla muffler, although there is a minor exhaust leak that may require new header bolts. Cooling is handled by an aluminum 4-core radiator paired with an electric fan. It also features a Ford Motorsport eCam, enhancing its engine performance. Despite the age, the truck runs strong and has cold, functioning AC, making it a solid driver ready for the road. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1994 Ford F150, price $3,000. It has traveled approximately 208,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a green exterior with a beige interior, both of which reflect its age respectfully. While the exterior shows some minor dents and scratches, the interior remains in great shape, just needing a bit of cleaning. Since October 2024, many new parts have been installed, making it a well-maintained and dependable classic truck. Recent updates include new front tires, a new battery, alternator, water pump, headlights, rear-view mirror, floor mats, and a Flowmaster exhaust system. Both fuel tanks are fully functional. The tail light bulbs were also recently replaced, but the turn signals now require manual operation. Number 5. 1987 Dodge W150, price $5,500. Dependable and rugged 4x4 long bed pickup that's ready for both daily driving and weekend projects. Finished in a classic white exterior with a warm brown interior, it offers a timeless look that reflects its vintage charm. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth and capable driving experience. Whether on the highway or off-road, the truck has a clean title and has been well cared for over the years. It was previously owned by the seller's son and served reliably as his daily driver. While it still needs a bit of work to be perfect, it runs strong and everything functions as it should, including the drivetrain, electrical components, and interior features. Number 6. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, features a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with a freshly built turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive performance. It runs strong, thanks to several recent upgrades including a new camshaft and roller rocker lifters. The truck is equipped with Flowmaster dual exhaust, giving it a deep, aggressive tone. It rides on 4 brand new tires and sits on a powder-coated frame for added durability and visual appeal. The exterior retains its original burgundy paint, which has never been resprayed, and the body is completely rust-free, a true testament to how well it has been cared for. The interior remains original, complementing the truck's overall classic charm. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500, finished in sleek black on both the exterior and interior. It exudes a timeless, rugged style. The vehicle features an automatic transmission and is powered by a rebuilt 454 engine paired with a TH400 transmission, offering strong performance and reliability. The truck has been mechanically refreshed with a lower mileage rear end that includes new wheel bearings, bushings, U-bolts, and U-joints, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. It runs, drives, and stops perfectly, and comfortably cruises at 70 miles per hour without any vibrations. Included with the truck are patch panels for the driver's side rocker and Beltec lowering shocks along with drop shackles and hangers for the rear, providing an option for a custom lowered stance. It comes with a clean title and a current Oklahoma registration. Number 8. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, featuring an automatic transmission with an off-white exterior and a rich burgundy interior. The truck runs great and is mechanically sound, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking to complete a project with minimal effort. The interior is like new and includes a tilt steering wheel and a power-adjustable driver's seat, offering both comfort and convenience. It comes with several extra parts, including a spare tailgate, providing added value for restoration or customization. The windows have been upgraded with new ceramic tint for improved heat reduction and privacy. It also sits on a good set of tires and rims, ready to hit the road. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500, powered by a 5.3 LLS swapped engine with an automatic transmission. It has around 129,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and was recently driven on a 6-hour round trip with no issues. The truck features a bright orange exterior, black interior, and sits lifted on Pro Comp wheels. Performance upgrades include long tube headers and a dual exhaust, giving it a strong sound and presence. The frame is solid, and all essential gauges, fuel, oil pressure, temperature, and tachometer are functional. The speedometer is not connected, but a phone is used instead. Some rust is present, common for square bodies, mainly on the passenger rocker and driver bedside, but it still looks great as is. It comes with a cab visor and extra blue fenders for future customization. Number 10. 1971 Ford F100, price $9,200, powered by a 302 V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission converted from column to floor shift. It drives smooth with no mechanical issues, and the body has virtually no rust. Finished in green with natural patina, it features new shocks, new tires, American racing wheels, headers, a Y-pipe exhaust, and a Holley carb. The interior has been refreshed with new floor pans, sound deadening, rubber flooring, new door and window seals. A sea blows hard but not cold, likely needs a recharge. Windshield needs replacement, and only the odometer and speedometer are working, other gauges are not. Overall, it's a solid, great running classic with vintage style.